Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हो आप सब? So in this video we are going to just recreate this makeup look for Valentine's Day. I know girls, since Valentine's Day is around the corner, I know you girls must be looking for some good makeup tutorial wherein you can create makeup look but not that heavy makeup and very subtle but yet glam. So I'm here with a new makeup look. So this is what my makeup looks like. I have created this makeup look. I don't have any date and I have nowhere to go on Valentine's Day. I'll to just Netflix and chill. But you girls, I know you'll go out with your partners and your boyfriends. So this is for you. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do this pretty makeup look. Let's start with the makeup look. So I've already done my base. Base basically the skincare. So I've applied moisturizer, sunscreen, and lip balm to just hydrate my skin and to prep it priorly so that it's already ready for the makeup to be applied. So first I'm going to apply the color corrector. So I'm using this Insight color corrector palette. It's very nice. I've already hit the pan. As you can see, I've used this a lot and I've used the concealer as well. So I'll just take tiny bit of the corrector. As you can see, this is balanced out with my skin tone and this is still a little dark. So what I'm I'll use it on my other eye as well. Okay. Some in my inner corners. As you can see, there's a line. Done. So I've done color correcting and now what I'll use is, this is my hack personally. So if you have dark under eyes and आप कभी भी कुछ भी लगाते हो concealer and everything or anything and still it gets very grey and orangish, you can use this yellow corrector. I've just recently discovered. So what I do is I basically take some of this, I'll apply it under my eye. Oh, it's too much. Okay, and I'll apply here as well. I take a little bit. This palette is really nice. This is my go-to palette, and then I'll just blend in with the orange corrector. See, it's instantly brighten up my under eye and it might look a little ashy right now, but trust the process, it will look very nice. Okay, so the next product we are using is foundation. This is from Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. So this is very good foundation. This is like very dewy and we are doing like a dewy makeup. So I'm using this Maybelline foundation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take few pumps, like 1 or 2 pumps. Then I'm going to mix this foundation with Blue Heaven Stroke Cream. This is very nice. The pump doesn't work basically. So I'm going to take a little bit and simply going to mix this. So I'm simply going to mix this both so that it gives us that dewy makeup look. And I'm not going to use a lot of foundation because I have dotted all over my face and I have not applied anything on my neck because I am simply, whatever the product will be left on this sponge, I'll simply blend it into my neck as well. So let's start with the blending. Patting, and I'm not swiping to have that really beautiful base. Look how beautiful this is blending. This is very nice foundation. See, this is my half and this is my half. This one looks much better. see the shine. You can see, right? See, I've blended. Okay. And always match your neck with the face and not face with the neck. Look how flawless this looks. And next I'm going to use concealer.
I have two concealer, which is first is LA Pro Conceal, which is like the exact shade match to my skin tone. This is in the shade Almond, yes. And this is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Okay, so this is in the shade Almond as well. So I use Almond in both the brands. Basically in LA also I use Almond, and in L'Oreal also I use Almond. So this one is a bit lighter shade. This is kind of a highlighting shade, and this is basically my skin tone. So what I'm going to do is first I'll apply this, and then last I'll use this after applying this, so that it just highlight and brighten up my face.
Okay, so I'll just squeeze this.
I've applied a lot of concealer. Okay.
That is not an issue. We'll just blend this out. Apply a little bit of concealer, and then I'll use this beauty blender to blend it. Always use a beauty blender to blend your concealer, because this will give you a very smooth and like very high coverage. So I'll keep it for like 5 seconds and then I'll blend it. So 5 seconds are done, and now we'll simply blend this. Wow. See this and this. I don't think so I should use this highlighting concealer, because this does the job really well. This looks nice. I'll still use a little bit. If you are using Infallible concealer, just use a tiny bit, because it's highly coverage. I mean, it's highly full coverage. So you just need up that, and I simply blend this as well. See how full coverage this is. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide my blemishes with this. Okay, done. This looks much better. Again, I'm going to use the same corrector palette. So now we have this contour shade here, because this is quite dark for my skin tone, so I use it as a contour. So basically I'll take some of this, squeeze my brush. I've taken some of the product and I'll use here on my forehead. I'm not using a lot, is because less is more. See, I'm not good at using bronzer, contour, bronzer, whatever. Okay, let's just blend this. Hope this doesn't ruin my makeup. So simply going to blend this all over my face. So next we are using blush. So for blush I am using this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek Tint, and also I have one more lip product. Cheeks blush product. I basically this lip balm. This is from Mars. So this basically washes out my skin tone while applying this lip balm. So I simply use this as a blush, and since then I'm only using this on the. Okay, so simply I'll just take some product. This is how it looks, and I'll use above my contour where I've done. Okay, I make a half C. So this is how it looks on this side. See this, and then I'll use the same on this side. I think this side looks much flawless. I feel like I'm using a little bit of blush. Okay. See, now I'm going to use this blush. See the color. I just love it. I'll use this on my nose a little bit. Why not? We have a blush blindness. Simply just blend everything into my skin, like contour, blush, and everything, to make it like work, make it like seamless. If that's okay. So before moving into base, first I'll just set everything which I have applied on my face, like foundation, concealer, blush, and contour, so that it doesn't move. First, I'm going to use this setting spray from Maybelline. I'll just spray it all over my face. This is the hack I saw on internet, wherein before setting your makeup with powder, just use setting spray first. So I'm not directly spraying it on my face. I'm just spraying it on my beauty blender. Access behind the back of my hand, and basically setting everything we have applied till now so that it doesn't move anywhere. This hack really works. Look at the glow and shine it gives. See? Okay, so now we'll use the powder. So next we'll use this Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder. This is really nice. So basically I'll just tap the axis and if you want a dewy only and you don't want to set it with the powder, you can just use the setting spray which I showed you earlier, and you will be good to go. Next we'll move on to the eyes, and for eyes we are just doing the neutral eyes. I mean gel and eyeliner to make it look more dramatic. Since we are wearing black, so I'll use nude. Okay, so this is my makeup eyeshadow palette. This is like the smaller one, which has like only neutral shades and some dark and green, a little bit of colorful. Other than that, it's all neutral, as you can see. For this, I'll use this brush, and I'll simply first take this shade, which is like the lightest shade in the palette, and the brown shade, and I'll simply just swipe it all over my eyelid. So kind of make it like a base for my eyes. See? Just apply like a little bit. Dust it off. And just applying it all over my eyelid. Really shimmer eyes. I mean, not exactly neutral shimmer basically. So we have a lot of, you can see we have a lot of shimmer shades right here. So I think golden would look really nice. So I'm simply going to use my finger with some of this and simply apply it towards my inner corner and not the outer corner. Okay, I'm going to apply like this, and I'll do the same thing on my other eye. This is the up close of my eyes. I think flash this makeup looks really nice rather than doing like a heavy makeup. This looks pretty. Next, I'm going to use this Lakme eyeliner. Basically, I'm just going to draw a very thin line. Look, I've just applied eyeliner, and I've applied only a thin line of the eyeliner just to define my eyes. did off camera because camera mein nahi ho sakta. And next other eye, and I'll be back. And I've done with my other eye as well. Look how pretty this looks. Okay, so the eyeliner is done. Next I'll use a brown kajal. I don't know how many of you will agree, but brown kajal looks much more better than your normal black kajal. I think this just define your eyes. If you have really big eyes like me, this just looks so pretty. See the difference. This looks so much better and well defined. See how it looks. So I apply same eyeshadow for the same kajal color. So right now I applied brown kajal, so I'm using this brown eyeshadow. And I simply just tap it under my eye. If you apply eyeshadow above your kajal, this won't smudge. This is my hack. So next we'll apply mascara. So for mascara, I'm going to use this. If you guys love wearing lenses, and if you know how to wear lenses, then you can wear lenses. Look how pretty my mascara is looking. Now next we'll use the highlighters. First I'm going to highlight my inner corner. See, here as well. Okay, let's just apply it on the high points of my face. Okay, just blend it with this. See, before going on to our lips, I'll just simply do my brows. So I'm using this Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow. So brush my eyebrows. I think it's really bushy right now. And then there is the other side we have the brow product. Fill in like wherever I think there is a gap. This side as well. After using this brow wax, I simply just comb again to like set my brows in place. Swiss Beauty Bold Matte lip liner. This is such a good lip liner.
I'll make a cross first. See, like this, and then simply connect the dark line. Takes your lips shape.
Now what I'll do is simply I'll just smudge my lip liner to give that natural look. And we are done with the lip thing. Next I'm going to use this Maybelline Vinyl lipstick. So this is how my makeup looks like. Let me know if you like my makeup. I just love the makeup. It's subtle, glam, yet very elegant, and this just perfectly just goes with my outfit really well. You can just do curls with your hair. Let me know if you guys love this makeup and want more videos like this. I would love to make these videos for you guys. Even I love makeup and I love doing it for you guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and do all the good things, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.